So here it is. Doesn't look too bad. Got the same weird brake pattern as mine. This is absolutely solid condition. Looks pretty good. The tires are better in the front. Here's the damage. It doesn't look too bad. I forgot to bring the ramps. Of course I did. Let's see. Oh wow, okay, so that one doesn't unlock the door. I thought it would. Curious, does this roll the windows down? No, it doesn't. So yeah, it's a little dirty in here. I got a tear in the seat. It just doesn't smell good. It smells wet. What is this? Roadside assistance. Yeah, it's dirty. Let's see. Oh, it does have fog lights. That's nice. Yep. I don't like the noise that dashboard makes. Windshield's cooked. This actually... Nah, this is broken. So I can take that from Ivan. Some weird white stuff. And you got the owner's manual. Zoom. That's cool. Got a oil filter. Oh, here's the that. It's like sand shit everywhere. Got the 5-speed. No heated seats. No aux. I don't even think that was an option. It has the automatic climate control, but it looks kind of ugly, honestly. I'm gonna see about changing this out, and then honestly all this. These work. Yeah, that one works. These are dim. I'm not sure why. These work. So there's that. They got the bows. Missing the same thing. It's different though in this one. That's interesting. Yeah, let's go into the hood. Oh yeah, and like even the door panel, like this is in better shape. There's no scratches on that. The big question is, does this have coolant? Washer fluid? Okay, it has washer fluid, so the guy did say something leaked out. I'm guessing that was coolant. Where even is this? Is power steering. See, the airbox is gone. It got a cold air intake from AM. Not bad. And yes, at one point it seems to have had fog lights. I don't think it has fog lights anymore. Or, I don't know. Doesn't look like it. Engine coolant. Am I tightening it? Yes, I am. Okay, hang on. Oh, no. Okay. I was not tightening it, and it is completely out. So, figured just as much. I'm not actually, now that I think about it, I don't see the fill, the reservoir. I mean, like, that doesn't have rust on it. These bolts don't have rust on them. That has rust on it, but let's see about moving it. So I should put the hood down. but it's got the V6. Tires on the back are a little more worn. You can see there's a raccoon on here. That wasn't there before. This came with 2 keys. Yeah, it does not smell good in here. Only one of the keys starts it, so let's see. Does this even turn the key? Oh, wow. You know what? I think they both start the car. This is the other one, the Mazda key. Yeah, they both start the car. Huh, go figure. Now, I am curious. With the beeping... Okay, so that's not the speaker. Interesting. Turn the lights on here. Oh. Look at that. You turn the lights on? The windshield wipers go off. How strange is that? But yeah, the backlight doesn't work for this. You turn the lights off, it stops. That's bizarre. Headliner is in rough shape. This clip doesn't work. They just cut the headliner back there, which I guess works. Let's see, what else did I want to try? I need to actually check the windows. Alright, well, that one doesn't go down. Probably needs some help. There we go. Goes down, goes up. This one. Yep. Yep. Sunroof. Wow, this is worse. I need some oiling. Yeah, that works. Cool. Yeah, but these lights are really dim, so that's something to look at. The, see, this seems to work. Yeah, the clock is a little dim, so that's unfortunate. Let's see, ambient. Oh, well, I guess the. What is that? Oh, yeah, there we go. Ambient. Yeah, I'm gonna change out this display if I keep it. That works. Sounds like. Let's see. Push off. Oh, auto. So now we have this. But there's no fan. I can hear something clicking, but maybe there's a relay missing. I'm not sure about that. Front, no. Yeah. Anyways, let's start it up. Ooh. I'm just gonna, I don't know, I guess I'll drive it around real fast and see what we see. Actually, I'm curious. I know that this key starts it. I want to see if this other one starts it too. That clutch feels weird. I don't know, is it only going one way, or wasn't turning? Huh. I swear this thing just went in and it turned, but maybe I'm hallucinating. And then I dropped the keys. Yeah, it's really weird. I mean, it'd be cool if they both started the car, but no, it doesn't. Oh, it does. There we go. It just really have to play with it. Yeah, they both do it. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I mean, it moves. It's loud as fuck. We got check engine light. Wow, that thing is loud. Do we have a... Oh, look, now it won't turn. The other key actually turns it, though. No, this one doesn't have TPMS. Okay, well, that's nice. So let's see. Oh, that's good noise. And the seatbelt doesn't go back in. Alright, well, let's see what the underside looks like. Alright, here's underneath the car. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. That's pretty good. And they got the inner fender liner. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, underneath it again.